Which environmental issue involves the depletion of coral reefs due to the increased water temperatures and other stressors. Ito po yung tawag natin dito, tinitingnan ng ating mga scientists because grabe talaga ang epekto dito. At present, especially sa West Philippine Sea, nangyayari po itong issue na ito. Super. Nakikita po talaga na there is an effect because of this global warming due to the increased water temperatures. Grabe yung epekto sa marine ecosystem, especially with the corals. So anong tawag natin sa phenomenon na iyan? High rater yung aim natin na high rater top notcher. Aim high talaga tayo dito. So, what environmental issue is this? All I see is letter A, and yes, that is the correct answer. That is coral bleaching. Anong itsura ni coral bleaching? Ito po iyon. So, basically, namamatay po yung mga corals natin. Once makikita natin na medyo whitish na sila, meaning to say, they are actually dying. Ano yung nakakapastress sa kanila? One is water temperature increase because of global warming. At saka number 2, ocean acidification.